Are incorrect order complaints costing you time and money? Frustrated with disputes and missing item claims? Introducing the innovative SATO E-Commerce Packing Solution, designed specifically for online retailers like you. This system ensures accuracy and efficiency throughout your entire fulfillment process. Say goodbye to frustrating errors. With the SATO system, you can film each order being packed, ensuring every item is picked and placed correctly. This video record provides peace of mind for both you and your customers. If the box arrives undamaged, you can be confident everything was delivered as promised. In the unfortunate event of a damaged parcel or missing items, the video evidence helps you claim compensation from the courier company. This way, losses don't come out of your pocket. The SATO solution seamlessly integrates with the SATO CT4 printer. Say goodbye to label size limitations. Our CT4 label printer automatically adjusts label length to fit your information, whether you use linerless or continuous media, so you can print product labels, shipping labels, and even hazardous materials labels without changing label reels due to size restraints. Ship with confidence, knowing your packages are compliant and secure. With the SATO E-Commerce Packing Solution, you can save money, improve efficiency, and keep your customers happy. Experience the peace of mind that comes with accurate order fulfillment. Contact SATO today to learn more about this innovative solution and take control of your fulfillment process.